Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing, Principles and Practices. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support. From our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with geometric dimensioning and tolerancing includes digital activities, 3D PDF prints, and the Digital Companion website. The Digital Companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing provides thorough coverage of GD&T practices as established by the ASME Y14.5, 2018 standard, ideal for engineering and manufacturing programs. From understanding symbols on existing drawings to calculating the tolerances for proper size and location of features, topics are introduced in a methodical manner to establish an understanding of basic concepts before building to more advanced applications. The use of second color in this heavily illustrated text enhances learning by highlighting callouts and labels separately from the symbols and text of each drawing. The sequence of chapters in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing is similar to the organization of topics in ASME Y14.5, 2018. The instructional design of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing includes student-focused learning tools to help you succeed. This visual guide highlights these features. Each chapter opener contains a list of learning outcomes and a list of technical terms. The learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. The technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. Definitions for the technical terms are given in the glossary. Chapter figures and drafting problems with model views have been updated to show correct application of datum feature symbols. The updates conform to the latest standard practices for 3D model documentation. Illustrated examples have been designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. The examples correlate the chapter content with graphic illustrations that include 2D orthographic views and 3D model views. Detailed explanations in the examples provide analysis of the content. The notes feature clarify explanations in the text and provide more detailed information about related topics. Each chapter ends with a chapter review section containing content-related questions and problems that can be used for examination, review, or other purposes as defined by your course objectives. Each chapter review section contains the following question groups: know and understand, analyze and apply, and critical thinking. Print reading problems give you the opportunity to read prints illustrating dimensioning and GD&T concepts related to the chapter. The problems extend learning with questions that require you to locate and interpret information on prints and use problem-solving skills. The prints used with these problems are actual prints from industry. Print reading problems are provided for manufacturing technology students and are optional for drafting technology students as determined by course outcomes. Drafting problems follow the last chapter of the text. These problems are provided for drafting technology students. Problems are presented as pictorial illustrations or design layouts. This requires you to determine the correct views, dimensions, and GD&T placement. The problems range from basic to advanced and can be completed by creating orthographic views or 3D models. Recommended problems for each chapter are listed at the end of the chapter. The drafting problems section in this textbook contains problems 1 to 21. Problems 22 to 39 are included in the instructor's resources for this textbook. Ask your instructor or refer to the course outline for specific assignments and problems to create for each chapter. Real-world prints featured in the book include 3D model views for clarity and enhanced visualization, making it easier to understand and discuss part features and answer questions related to the prints. Drafting problems provide opportunities to apply drawing skills and convey information using GD&T symbiology. The prints at the end of the book have been greatly enhanced with new model views for improved visualization. Digital users will benefit from a new 3D PDF files that are provided for the drafting problems and prints in the book, serving as an excellent visualization tool for students. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, principles and practices for your course.